Hi, everybody. It's Glenn Rudin with Always Been Creative with more tips for you on branding and messaging. Today, I want to focus on the length and the purpose of an elevator pitch, which some people fail to understand. An elevator pitch, timing wise, should be 25 to 35 seconds, really at the very most. If you start going longer than that, you really do start to lose your audience. Here's a great way to think of it. When you're doing your elevator pitch, you want to give us just enough of a taste of what you do so that we want to come back and hear more from you about the rest of the story. Here's a good illustration. When you walk around the shopping mall and they hand out samples of the energy drinks and smoothies, they don't give you the whole drink. Of course not. They just give you a little taste so that you can taste it. You know what it's all about. Later on, they're hoping you'll come back and you'll get the whole thing. Think of your elevator pitch as that little taste. In that 25 to 35 seconds, you just want to tell us just enough little fact, little information, something that's going to intrigue us and say, hey, we want to hear more from them later. Don't try to cram the whole thing at them. It's not effective. We won't listen. Our attention spans are just not that long. So, next time you go to do that elevator pitch, start strong. Keep in mind, you're just giving us a taste. It'll make it much easier for you to stay within that 25, 30-second limit that you're trying to. And I think you'll find that if you limit it down to just that important message, that important taste, you'll have a much better chance of resonating with your customers and potential customers, and you'll see a better result of the elevator pitch that you do. Glenn Rudin, Always Been Creative with tips for you on branding and messaging. See you next time.